Hey guys, Tommy Bryson here, and today we're going to talk about exactly how much money I make by doing YouTube with 100,000 subscribers. And by the way guys, when I had around 10,000 subscribers, I actually made more money than some people out there with 100K or even a million subscribers. So that's why in this video, I'm going to break down every single detail, and more importantly, I'm going to give you guys a formula you can use to actually calculate any other YouTuber's earnings very quickly, okay? Now, the first thing is this, guys. Comment down below and let me know exactly how much money do you guys think I make by having 100,000 subscribers. Back in the days when I had 10,000 subscribers, I was making around $3,000 per month. By the way, for my next video, I'm gonna talk about exactly how much money people get per 1,000 views every single time they post a YouTube video. And by the way, guys, I do upload videos every single day on YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And on top of that, also gently click the like button. I've been getting complaints about people smashing it all the time, so just gently go ahead and hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And now guys, the first secret when it comes to YouTube, to this formula, is actually that people on YouTube do not get paid by having a lot of subscribers. And that's why guys, even when I only had 10,000 subscribers, I made a lot more money than people with 100,000 and also a million subscribers. So now guys, number two, well, if people don't make money by having subscribers, why do YouTubers want you to subscribe to the channel? And why do you always say, Tommy, like, oh, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notified? The answer is, guys, well, the first thing is this, guys. I actually watch a lot of YouTubers, and sometimes I watch a video and then I can't find the YouTuber again because, again, I didn't click subscribe or like the video either. So that's why most of the time I say like the video, subscribe to the channel. That way you can always find these videos all the time and they're always there and you don't forget to subscribe, okay? Now, but Tommy, how does this make sense when it comes to you guys making a lot of money? The answer is this, guys, okay? Subscriptions are kind of like a community, okay? And whenever you upload a video, YouTube sends your subscribers, your community, a notification saying like, hey, this person uploaded a video. Tommy, Graham, Meet Kevin, all the financial guys out there, they uploaded a video. Go watch it if you want to, okay? You might say like, I'll watch it later. I'll watch it next time. Or I might not watch this one, okay? So the point is, on average, only between 2 to 5% of your entire audience subscriptions, okay, actually watch that video that you actually post. And that's how it works, okay? So for example, if I do have 100,000 subscribers, well, only 2% or 5% might come on and watch that video. That's around 2,000 to 5,000 views every single time I post a new video, and that is how it works, okay? Now, here's an example. Say, for example, you have Graham, and then you also have me right here, right? So Graham up here has 1 million subscribers, and I only have right now around 100K, but I will catch up very soon, Graham, so stick around for that. But the whole point is this, guys, right? When Graham makes a video, well, 2% to 5% of his audience might come and watch that video. Well, that's around 20,000 to 50,000 views right then and there within the first 1 hour to 10 hours, okay? However, when it comes to me, that might be between 2,000 to 5,000 views within the first 1 to 10 hours also. So obviously, having subscribers makes a lot of sense because, again, people actually watch your video more often. But most importantly, the main reason is because the algorithm actually likes you having more subscribers because it makes a lot of sense when you upload and people watch it and click it, because that shows the algorithm, hey, people are watching this video, they're clicking on it. But most importantly, guys, number 3 here is, Tommy, how exactly does the algorithm on YouTube work, and how does that make sense for your money, and how does it take away from your money or add to your money? Well, the answer is this, guys, okay? The algorithm on YouTube is broken down into 3 factors in this exact same order, okay? The first one is click rate. Tommy, what the heck is that? You know, the answer is, well, you have click rate. You also have, for example, watch time. And then on top of that, you also have engagement. Number 1, click rate, right? So click rate is whenever you post a video with a very good thumbnail and people click on it. And that's why back in the days, you had a lot of YouTubers posting videos, for example, with crazy clickbait titles, but people would click on it and then no one would actually watch those videos all the way through. So then YouTube said, well, that is not enough. We need more data to actually recommend videos out there to know for a fact it's just not clickbait. So what they did is this, they actually made the entire thing about like watch time also. Now, watch time is basically how long you guys actually watch these videos for. For example, on average, it might be between 5 to 7 minutes, and then sometimes even 10 minutes, depending on the type of content you actually create. Now, the more watch time and the more click rate, the even better, okay? Now, for example, guys, on average, click rate on a channel might be between 1% to 5%, and that's not really that good, okay? YouTube will stop recommending that video very quickly. However, if you're between 5% to 10%, meaning that every time YouTube shows that thumbnail, people click on it at least 5% of the time, well, in reality, YouTube will show that video to a lot more people out there. That's how it works, okay? However, when someone clicks that video and watches it for at least like 5 to 10 minutes, then guess what? YouTube's like, okay, people are clicking on it. People like watching it. Now, the third part is engagement. Do people like the video and also comment down below? If they do that, then YouTube will push the video even further. For example, guys, comment down below and like this video right here, and you guys will see, okay, if this video gets around like maybe like 500 to 1,000 likes right off the bat between like the first like 10 hours or so, you'll see this video get pushed massively and get a ton of views. I promise you that, okay? Now, the second thing is this, guys. Well, Tommy, I understand that, but how does the algorithm make a lot of sense here? Well, in actuality, guys, the algorithm is what determines if your video gets watched or not watched, okay? That's the money thing. No views means no money. No subscribers doesn't mean no money. It just means you don't have an audience to actually pull from to actually get any views whatsoever. And you guys might be asking me, well, Tommy, why does YouTube care if someone watches a video all the way through? The answer is, come here, guys. The answer is basically very simple, because YouTube is a business and it cares about, hey, we need ads to make money. So no ads means no money. On an average, if someone doesn't go on the video and watches all the way through, well, they don't actually watch all the ads within the video, meaning that, well, YouTube doesn't make as much money. So that's why watch time is so important. But most importantly, it tells YouTube, hey, this creator right here makes great content and people actually enjoy watching it. Because by the way, guys, no matter how much I ask you guys to watch this whole video right here, the entire video, if the video is bad, if it's terrible, no one watches it. And that's why YouTube is a very good platform. It is is it democratic? No, it's not democratic. It's
2 hours later.
So I'm back after 10 minutes of looking for the word, and basically the word I was looking for is called democratize, meaning that YouTube works based on the system, but also on the people to determine what videos go up and what videos come down. That's the entire point here. So Tommy, how much money do you actually make by doing YouTube? Well, number 4 is this, guys. Here's how much money I make per view on YouTube. The answer is I make around 2 pennies per view, and then also on average YouTube also makes 2 pennies also. By the way, these are all averages. Tell me why an average, now why not like an exact figure? The answer is, well, it's very complicated, but on top of that, it depends on the video I post, but most importantly, it also depends on the CPM of the video I post. For example, CPM is code for cost per mile, yes, but it basically means how much money you actually get per 1,000 views here on YouTube. So now you guys are probably wondering, okay, Tommy, 2 cents per view on average, not the exact number, by the way. That means that if you make, for example, if you get 1 million views, you get around like $20,000 right off the bat. The answer is yes, in a sense, okay? In a sense, but it's kind of more complicated than that. And here's the math to how you can figure out exactly how much any other channel on YouTube actually makes. By the way, guys, finance channels make the most money here on YouTube because it does take a lot of work to do these videos, but most importantly, the people that advertise to this channel right here know for a fact they can make a lot of money, and that's why they pay more money for our channels. However, gaming channels, comedy channels, prank channels, they might make less money from AdSense, Google Sense, or whatever you want to call it, like Google revenue. But the whole point is they do make a lot more money based on views and also selling a lot of merchandise to their viewers, okay? So everyone makes kind of like the same amount of money, but just in different ways in a sense, okay? But here's the math to how much money I make exactly on YouTube. Now, the first factor is this, guys. On YouTube right now, I have run 400 plus videos, and by the way, I do upload videos every single day. So on average, I upload around 30 videos per month, which is almost like 4 to 5 times more than anyone else on the platform, okay? Now, here's the math, guys. Here's my phone, here's my calculator, and we're gonna do everything right here live, but I'm also gonna put everything right here so you guys can follow along and not get lost, because again, the math can get very complicated. Just kidding, it's very simple, okay? But the math can get very complicated, so just in case, everything is gonna be written on this part of the screen right here. Hopefully, I edit this video, and hopefully, I do what I'm saying right here, because it will just be a blank screen right here, and I would just look kind of weird, okay? Now, the first thing is this, guys. On average, remember this, guys, in the first part I told you guys subscribers are important, but it does mean every time you post a video, 2% of the people come by and watch a video. So on average, on the low end, say for example, I post a video, I get around 2,000 views every single time I post a video. So right off the bat, I have 100,000 subscribers, you times it by 2%, and that gives you around 2,000 views every time you post any video. So here we go. If I post, for example, every single month, 30 videos, well, in reality, 2,000 times 30, well, that gives us around 60,000 views per month. Tell me, that can't be right, because it's impossible for you to make videos here, but you're only making around 0.02, that's around $1,200. The answer is, that's not how much I make, but that's one factor of the money I actually make. So now here's the second factor here, okay guys? Well, don't forget that I also have around 400 other videos posted on the platform. So here's how it works, guys, okay? Those videos get on average around 10 views every single day, for example. It depends, it varies, but I'm going to make it simple for the sake of this video right here. So for example, 400 videos, you times it by 10 views every single day, is only 4,000. You might say, Tommy, that's nothing. That's so much work for no views. But in reality, every single month, this is around times 30, this is around 120,000 views every single month just by having those videos get views every single day also. So YouTube kind of compounds every single day, step by step per video that you actually make, and that's how it works. But Tommy, all right, that's kind of a lot of money, right? Because right now you have 120 here plus 60,000 right here. That's around 180 times 0.02. That's around 3,600. Yeah, it's a lot of money so far, but in reality, there is one more factors of the video that I actually post that actually get me a lot more money. And now here it is, the last factor, guys, okay? Number 3 is, well, some of the videos I post go semi-viral, and I calculated it, and on average is around every 12th video. So 1 in 12 videos that I actually post go semi-viral, meaning that they got at least like 50,000 views, or maybe 100,000 views, or maybe even over 200,000 views. Right now, my most watched videos are around 800,000 views, and it's that ATM video, okay? Now, here's exactly how that works, guys. So say, for example, I have right now 400 videos. Divide that by 12, well, that's around 33 videos that go semi-viral. But in reality, only around 45%, I know it's kind of like complicated, but it's how it works, and that's why it's all the way here, but only around 45% of those videos actually make the most money. Those are the winners, okay? So for example, you times it by 0.45%, and that gives you around 15 videos. Okay, Tommy, that's awesome, okay? So 15 videos make you the most money. So how much money or how many views do those videos give you every single month or every single day, for example? The answer is very simple, guys. On average, these videos right here give me an average of around 1,000 views per day. Awesome, right? So for example, times it by 1,000, and that is around 15,000 views per day from these main videos right here. Now, we times this right here times 30 to give you the monthly, and that is around times 30. Well, that is around 450,000 views. Okay, so that's where all the money comes from. The answer is yes. So in actuality, you only get around, 20% of your videos actually make the most money, and then 80% kind of like make some money, yes, but it's only around like the 20% that make the most money. So now let's add everything up here, guys, and here it is. You have 450,000 views from like the semi-viral videos, and also 60,000 from the new videos I post every single month, and on top of that, 120,000 views from the old videos I post also, plus 120,000, and that gives us a total of around 630,000 views every single month. But again, I post videos every single month, and this keeps going up, up, and up, and up, and up, and that's how it works. You compound it, kind of like a snowball. It keeps getting more and more and more as it keeps going down. So now you guys know what to do, right? Just times it by 0.02, because again, I only make around 2 cents, 2 pennies per video on average, not the exact number, by the way, times 0.02, and that is around $12,600 every single month on average these days by making videos, okay? Unless I get a very viral video, and it might go even crazy up to 15,000, 20,000, it all depends, okay? But Tommy, this is pretty cool. but how much money do you actually make in your analytics? Because that's what I want to see. Well, the answer is, guys, right in front of my screen, you should be seeing my analytics. And in my analytics right now, guys, I actually got around 640,000 views, but also I made around $13,870 last month in February, while I had 100,000 subscribers back then, because that's when I actually hit it, before my birthday on the 28th of February, okay? So, how did you make extra money here, Tommy, with almost like the same amount of views? The answer is, it all depends on per video, and that's why I say it's an average of 2 pennies, but it might be more, it might be less, it just depends on the videos I post that month. So guys, that is basically it. If you want to find out exactly how much money any YouTuber makes out there, just times it by how much money they make per view, and the only way to find out is by actually getting estimates. Some YouTubers make 1 penny, some make 0.5 cents of a penny, so that's how it works. So that's the only way to figure it out. And guys, comment down below and let me know, do you guys want me to go out there and tell you exactly how much the average YouTuber makes per 1,000 views? I'll get that video done ASAP. Just let me know. I'll post it tomorrow. And on top of that, guys, do not forget, okay, I've been doing videos for the past almost like 10 years or so, since I was 12 years old. So in reality, it might seem like I make a lot of money now, but I'm only making money like from the past like 2 years or so. But before that, I lasted like 4 years almost, post videos daily, and it did nothing whatsoever, like no money. So if you're only after the money on YouTube, it'll be very hard to actually last, okay? But if you just love making videos and love sharing things, then you probably will make it a lot faster, because you'll keep going step by step and keep learning and keep adjusting. And that's the name of the game. The name of YouTube is called adjusting, making new content and making new content every single day. And that's what I do. And guys, as always, if you guys enjoyed this video right here, like this video gently. Please do not break the like button. And on top of that, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. You can smash the subscribe button if you want to, okay? I won't judge you on that. And if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one, uno on Instagram, just DM me on Instagram, type Bryson. And before I go, if you guys want to watch another video, for example, on how I made $23,000 per month on December, watch this video right here. On the top, look at my face right here to watch this right now. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And as always, peace.